He's a D1 fucking stud. Fuck him. At the bottom of the pile, tear his fucking legs off. Rip his limbs. Tear fucking ligaments. I don't care. Just fucking put him in the hospital. It's not a fucking game. It's respect anymore. He has no respect. Don't have any respect for him. Alright, don't do it till you get a fucking penalty right belligerently on the field. But when you get a shot, fucking hit him. As hard as you fucking can. Every fucking play. I'm sick as bullshit, alright? Let's win on 3.
Dude, every one of them.
Every single one of these fucking kids smash in the fucking mouth. Win on 3. 1, 2, 3. Win! Let's go.
Seniors over here real quick. Seniors over there. Name, number, position. Ready? You ready?
Chris Kelly, 42, wide receiver. Matt Rocha, number 33, linebacker.
Are you alright? He's on! 1, 2, 3! 1, 2, 3! 1, 2, 3! 1, 2, 3! 1, 2, 3!
With Coach Dean Sacker, class of 1986. Coach, this is your first time being head coach at the Marauders, and I'm sure it's quite exciting.
Yeah, it's very exciting for me to be here.
I ask, cause I'm not sure. Do anybody make real anymore? Bad when the pussy in my pants down on my paycheck. Act like you can't tell who gave this. You gospel, homie, take 6. Take this, haters.
One, two, three! Go! You're the fucking senior right now. You're like that. No regrets, everything on the field. Someone comes your way, you fucking hit them. I don't care if you go for their fucking head, decapitate them. Fucking take them out of the fucking game. All these kids talk shit every fucking day. I looked at that kid's picture every night before I went to bed. And Trigger already is fucking thrown out. He's a fucking pussy. And this is fucking special. Chuck them every play. Chuck them. Win on 3. 1, 2, 3. Win! Let's go.
And let me tell you another thing, okay? We come into this stadium and we talk about being football players and respecting one another. And that fucking crap that happened when we were walking by, especially, where's Matty Rocha? Especially some fucking kid talking about bad-mouthing his fucking knee, and this kid can't even fucking play, and he's tougher than any fucking kid on that team. You understand me? I hate shit like they do. All they do is fucking talk, and I'm getting sick of it. They don't respect you. I'll tell you one thing. They're gonna respect you after the game. You understand me? Yeah. You fucking paint fly. You hit them so fucking hard. You put their dick in the dirt. Do you understand me? Yeah. Are you ready? Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go, boys. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go! Fucking one of them. Let's go!
And includes his current Rocha, number 42, Chris Kelly.
Sorry, guys.
And for Watertown, number 20, Eric Terrell, number 55, Luke Leitner, and number 62, David Lucas.
Attaboy. It's a great day, gentlemen. Enjoy it. Who's talking for Belmont? You are. Yeah. Okay. This is a tail. That's gonna be...
Let's go, baby! Let's go! Let's go! Hit anything that moves, let's go! Wait on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Just nod your head and say, all right, I got it under control. That's the end of it, all right? Then we won't be giving up 35 yards of penalties. Guys, what do you 20 seconds of game. Guys can't let that shit get in the way. This is your day, all right? Your day to fucking win your first game. Seniors, this is it. You gotta step up. It's your last half football.
This is the only, they say anything else, keep your mouth shut.
All right, yeah, we gotta jump. All right. Straight down and take out his legs. I've seen like 12 people to the right, then someone go down who's ever trapping it, go up and get the linebacker. That's a touchdown.
Get onto him. You understand me? You're running G power, okay? Get your hands on him. Don't just come up field.
Hey, bring it up. Bring it up. You're gonna win this game. Just keep your mouth shut. Keep hitting everything hard. Anything inside with the black jersey on, smash it. With the fucking mouth every play. Smash on 3, 1, 2, 3. Smash!